Coming whether we are ready for it or not, so you just have to have the coats handy because we're talking temperatures in the 30s, feeling even colder with the wind. So get ready, everyone. Mother Nature is not slowing down anytime soon. We do have some rain on first alert radar, mainly south and east of the city. So right now Atlanta looks dry, but if you took I-85 and split the state in half, then if you go south and east of 85, that's where most of the rain clearly setting up here. We'll take you south of the city. Most of the rain just light to steady. Most of the more steady to heavy rain now down in Lamar and Upson County, places like Thomaston. But in the city of Atlanta, we are starting to dry out. It is still looking really damp and dreary out there. Very low hanging clouds, might feel a little misty to you. Overall, just not a very nice afternoon, but we have picked up some really beneficial rainfall. We are in a deficit for the month so far, and it looks like most of the area has picked up anywhere between about half to an inch of rain, especially in the city of Atlanta and a lot of our surrounding suburbs. And the further south and west you go, places like Coweta County picking up over 6/10 of an inch, maybe even an inch of rain in places like Bartow County, and more to fall in the next several hours. We're looking at anywhere between about 3/10 of an inch to close to an inch of rain. Places like LaGrange, maybe even over an inch of rain. Further south of the city you are, you're closer to the Gulf of Mexico, which is ultimately our moisture-rich source providing us a lot of this soggy weather today. Let's take you through First Alert Futurecast. Our First Alert Weather Day will continue through the rest of the day today, ahead of our next First Alert Weather Day on Thursday for the very cold air. Today, still fairly chilly after a day in the mid-70s yesterday. We're hanging out in the upper 50s to low 60s through the rest of the afternoon. There is a wave of showers developing out in Alabama right now. I do think that's going to start to push in for the evening commute. So here's a look at 5 o'clock. Most of the rain setting up south of the city, but still that chance for scattered showers really across most of North Georgia. Heading into the overnight, scattered showers will be possible. A lot of it just light rain, and we'll be under the influence of a warm front. So tomorrow morning, we will wake up in the low 60s. So we actually might gradually warm just in time for the morning commute, but still chilly. Temperatures in the upper 50s to low 60s to send you out the door tomorrow. Cold front moves in tomorrow afternoon. We'll actually see sunshine. That'll allow temperatures to rebound near 70 tomorrow. But then, boy, do the temperatures drop off on Thursday. That's our next First Alert Weather Day. Coldest air of the season. Highs only in the 50s, and it gets even colder on Friday. You will need to crank up the heat end of the week and have those coats with you. Pair it with wind gusts like this. We're talking gusts tomorrow, 25 to 35, gusts 30 to 40 on our First Alert Weather Day Thursday. That elevated wind continuing into Friday. It is going to feel more like the upper 20s to low 30s out the door Thursday. It's going to struggle to feel warmer than the 40s in a lot of spots north of the city Thursday afternoon. And look at Friday morning, feeling like the 20s area wide. That's the coat, the beanie, the scarf, all of it. You are going to need it. That chilly weather will continue into the weekend. We'll wake up in the 30s Saturday, highs in the 50s, another morning in the 30s Sunday, but temperatures rebound nicely into the 60s Sunday. We'll go back near 70 for the start of next week, and our next rain chance will be on Tuesday.
Courtney.